Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve mouse hole puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. This puzzle is made of 4 different types of wood: cherry, garapa, American walnut and purple heart. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts inside the frame in such a way that there will be no openings left and there will be no sticking out parts. But keep in mind that the sliding piece that is right here in the middle is supposed to be with the mouse hole right in the center of the frame. If it's going to be here or here, that's not going to be the correct solution. It's supposed to be like this. So you have to cover this spot, this one below the mouse hole, and 2 spots on the back of the frame. And as you can see, the frame is quite complicated. There are a couple of restrictions here. You can't use this part to fit parts inside since it is covered, and this one as well. But inside it is just a regular cube 3x3x3 size. There is no restrictions inside. And you can use this slider, and you will use it a lot to fit parts inside the frame. If you like mouse hole puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle, but first of all I'm gonna assemble all parts outside the frame. That's the way how I solve the puzzle usually. And they're going to be like this. So this piece is going to be in this corner, then this part goes next, and this part that looks very much like this one but a little bit different goes right here. And if you try to imagine that these parts are inside, they are going to cover 2 spots on the back, 2 spots in the front, and 1 in the middle. So that's going to be the correct assembly. Now the most difficult part, how to put them inside or how to remove them from the frame. And I'm gonna start with trying to imagine that it is inside and how I'm gonna remove parts. So if the slider is gonna be in the middle, I can move this piece up and to the left. Okay, that's easy. Next, I can move this piece up, but that's it. I'm not gonna be able to move it towards this direction since, as you can see, the frame here is a little bit higher, and it's gonna not allow me to move this piece towards myself. But if I move the slider all the way here so that this piece will go right in the mouse hole like this, then I will be able to move this piece up right here. Then I can move these 2 pieces down, move the slider 1 step to the center, put this part of the piece inside the mouse hole and remove it. And then these 2 parts, I can remove it as well, move this piece to the right, move this piece all the way up so that this part will go into the mouse hole and remove it. And then only this part left, which is quite easy to remove. Move it 1 step here, up to the right and remove. So we're gonna start with putting this part inside. That's how you do it. Inside, put inside the mouse hole, down and all the way to the top right corner. Now this piece, put it inside the mouse hole as well, all the way down, 1 step towards yourself. And now move the first piece to the left. Now we have to deal with this part, and this is the most tricky one. Put it inside the mouse hole and down. The next move is going to be to move the slider to the left, and you have to move this piece up and this piece up. To do it, it's better to flip the whole frame upside down like this, and oh, sorry, I have to do it again like this. And when it is up, you will be able to move this piece one step here and all the way down. That's when you can flip it back. Now move the mouse hole back to the center and move this piece inside, and that's it. The puzzle is solved. As you can see, all openings are covered and we have no sticking out parts. Since the puzzle is solved when it is solved both ways, we have to remove parts now. So we're gonna do it exactly the same way but backwards. Flip it upside down to remove this piece first, like this. Now move this piece to the left. Next we have to move this piece up. Again, it's much easier to flip the whole frame for that, like this. Move the slider all the way here so that the third piece will go right in that cutout in the mouse hole. Now move this piece one step towards yourself, and that's when you can move the slider to the middle again. Move this piece up all the way and remove it. Now tilt the frame to the right so that the first piece will go to this corner. Move this piece up and using the mouse hole remove it. And now the last piece is quite easy to remove since it is only one part inside, and you can even rotate it now since it doesn't really matter. There is only one piece inside. So you can move it up to the right and remove from the frame. And that is the solution of mouse hole puzzle. If you like this puzzle, you might like some other great puzzles designed by Alexander Majoric, such as Wishing Well or many other great puzzles he designed. And if you want to buy them, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.